Okay, 77 is super simple, strictly because the whole thing is to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So you don't have anything to the inside because it was all to the 0 power. Okay, 78 is multiplication. Remember, when you're multiplying, you add your exponents, but you still multiply your coefficients. So negative 6 times 10 is negative 60. And then I add my exponents. Negative 3 plus negative 5. Sometimes y'all struggle with negatives, so negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. And then y, negative 9 plus negative 2 is negative 11. Now, I can't stop because I have negative exponents. So when you have negative exponents, if it's not a fraction, you have to make it a fraction. And anything that has a negative exponent, which is both of my variables, has to move to the bottom. And then they become positive. So I cancel them when I move them. So my final answer is negative 60 over x to the 8th, y to the 11th. Okay, on 79, I want you to realize that I have 3 with negative exponents. So let's move those 3. So I'm going to move this and this down. And I'm going to move this up. So I'm going to keep the 15 and 25 because those did not have negative exponents. They do not move. So the a squared moves to the top. A to the negative 5 moves to the bottom. B to the first power moves to the bottom. And that b to the 4th power was positive, so it has to stay where it was. Now 15 over 25 is not going to be pretty, but it's going to simplify, so I can type it in my calculator. And it gives me 3 over 5. So I know this is going to simplify to 3 over 5. And then I have to figure out where I have more a's and where I have more b's. So I have more a's on bottom. 5 minus 2 is 3. And all my b's are on the bottom, so that's technically multiplying, which means I add. 1 plus 4 is 5.